All right, here we are making 3-ingredient, no-bake mock Larabars. Here's the real one, right? We're gonna make this so easy. All you need are dates or figs. I found out figs, dates, or prunes all in the same family work the same. Natural peanut butter and or peanuts. And chocolate. A third, and I'm at the end. When you're done food processing, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 3-ingredient, no-bake Larabars. You just scoop them into baggies. I've seen on YouTube videos some lovely ladies putting them in a big baking sheet and cutting them that way. But I like shaping them into the Larabar shape and then putting them in the freezer. And my family likes pulling them out. They stay fresh and really yummy, really healthy, great for the kids. And this is our family's favorite chocolate peanut butter mock Larabars. Enjoy. 3 ingredients. I'm doing this for my family to remember how to make it. Love you guys.